participate the asset in the asset quiz competition of December 2024 and also the last quiz of the year. I will be your asset quizzer today. I am an 8th grader at RJ Gray Junior High School, Acton, MA, USA, in the academic year of 2024 to 2025. Before we begin the asset quiz, I would like to give a brief introduction to asset for the people who are not familiar with or are new to this program. Last year, asset successfully conducted monthly quizzes for elementary and middle school students. This year, we have combined both the quizzes together and have made it open to all students from elementary up to high school. Apart from the quizzes, ASSET's vision is to bud future scientists by providing scientific platforms to high school, undergraduate, and postgraduate students alongside of internationally famous students. Senior scientists to learn and share their knowledge with other science-loving audiences. This scientific activity is done through an annual asset conference yearly. For the 4th asset conference that was on the 21st and 22nd of December, we had a successful conference, and we look forward to the upcoming one next year. Asset is present on social media, including YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. If you need more information, please visit our website, assetonline.org, or email us at info@assetonline.com. We are using Kahoot platform for this asset quiz, and the subjects in this quiz competition include science, math, technology, engineering, history, geography, and English. The rules of this quiz are: there will be 5 cash prizes or gift cards with a value of $30, $25, $20, and $25 and $10 for first, second, third, fourth, and fifth places, respectively. As soon as the quizzer me announces the asset quiz game pin on Kahoot, please enter immediately to join the quiz. The quizzer will allow us 5 to 7 minutes, depending on the number of participants. Please bear with us in case of a little delay. It is important that you type your full name and school name while joining the asset quiz. Mute yourself and don't speak in the mic or write your answers in the chat box. In case there is a disagreement between the competitors, the quizzer's decision will be final. With this, I will share my screen and we can start. Sorry. Okay, so go at www.kahoot.it or go to your Kahoot app and enter the pin. We'll begin at around 11:10. Okay, we'll be starting. If people still haven't joined, the game pin will be on the bottom of the screen. To the Asset Summer Quiz or the final quiz of 2024. Sorry for the technical difficulties. Okay. What is the value of x when x minus 3 equals 10? The correct answer is 13. What is the slope of the line segment AB?
माइनस वाला होगा -3/4 नहीं हो सही है
Please
अरे
mute.
उसे देख रहे थे साला वही
The correct answer is negative 3/4.
सही है -3/4 होगा चलो ठीक है
If fx equals x to the 2 minus 4x plus 3 and the domain is negative 2, 0, 1, what is the range? 7, 3, 0, negative 1, 3, 1, negative 9, 3, 1, or 15, 3, 0? The correct answer is 15, 3, 0. If h equals negative 16t to the 2 plus 56t, then what is t when h is 0? 1.75, 2.75, 2.5, or 3.5? The correct answer is 3.5. Sarah needs $150 and has $63. Write an equation with x, the amount of money needed. X minus 63 equals 150, x plus 150 equals 63, x plus 63 equals 150, or x minus 150 equals 63. The correct answer is x plus 63 equals 150. John has 5 more coins than Sal. Together they have 45. Find John's amount of coins. X minus 5 equals 45, x plus 5 equals 45, 2x minus 5 equals 45, or 2x plus 5 equals 45. The correct answer is 2x minus 5 equals 45. Solve for x-intercepts. 4x to the 2 minus 9 equals 0. 3 halves, 9 fourths, and negative 9 fourths, or negative 3 halves, or 3 halves and negative 3 halves. The correct answer is 3 halves and negative 3 halves. Factor 2x to the 2 minus negative 11x minus 21. The correct answer is 2x plus 3 and x minus 7. Nate uses y equals 3.775x for how many hours y it'll take to build a desk, which is x. If x is 5, what is y? 1 hour 33 minutes, 18 hours 45 minutes, 1 hour 20 minutes, or 18 hours 75 minutes. The correct answer is 18 hours and 45 minutes. Which set of values in the range corresponds to the set 0, 2 in the domain? 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, or 3, negative 1. The correct answer is 3 and negative 1. Moving on to English. What type of sentence is Clary closed her cluttered closet, closed closet? Alliteration, analogy, hyperbole, or metaphor? The correct answer is alliteration. If one reaches a conclusion based on one evidence, it is called making a hypothesis, a guess, a critical thought, or an inference. The correct answer is an inference. Figurative language that uses like or as is also called as metaphor, oxymoron, simile, or likeness. The correct answer is simile. This type of character does not change. Dynamic, protagonist, static, or antagonist. The correct answer is static. When the author gives hints about events that may occur later, it's called foreshadowing, protagonist, antagonist, or flashback. The correct answer is foreshadowing. What is the irony in which the literal meaning of what someone says is different from what they actually mean? It can also be often the opposite. Dramatic irony, verbal irony, situational irony, or pure conflict. The correct answer is verbal irony. What connotation can the word ambitious give the reader? Negative, positive, dramatic, or neutral? The correct answer is positive. What text structure is one where the text describes a process with specific directions? Problem solution, cause effect, step by step, or sequence, or how to, or paragraphs. The correct answer is step by step, or sequence, or how to. A rhetorical appeal that means the reason and uses logical thought, fact, or rationality. Pathos, ethos, pathos, or logos. The correct answer is logos. Which of the following is the narrative point of view where the narrator is a character and tells the story using I? The correct answer is first person point of view. A portable data storage device Is a folder, a cookie, a flash drive, or a data closet? We're moving on to technology. The correct answer is a flash drive. An organized collection of information is called an HTML web page, a home page, a firewall, or a database. The correct answer is database. What is the process of converting data into code? The correct answer is encryption. No longer in use or no longer useful. The correct answer is obsolete. True or false? The program to a computer is called a software. The correct answer is true. The process of photosynthesis occurs in the The correct answer is chloroplast. Compared to the other stars, the Sun is a supernova, middle-sized star, red giant, or immense white dwarf. The correct answer is a middle-sized star. Which property is the least reliable for mineral identification? Streak color, toughness, or luster? The correct answer is color. What does the moon rotate on? The Earth, in space, the Sun, or its axis? The correct answer is its axis. Which wave requires a medium for transmission? Light, ocean, infrared, or sound? Or in other words, light waves, infrared waves, sound waves, or the ocean waves? The correct answer is sound waves. A kangaroo riding on a skateboard at the speed of 3 meters per second suddenly hits a curb. The kangaroo will fall backwards at a speed equal to 3 meters per second, backward with a speed greater than 3 meters per second, forward with a speed greater than 3 meters per second, or forward at a speed equal to 3 meters per second. The correct answer is forward at a speed equal to 3 meters per second. If the Earth were to be 2x massive, then the gravitational force between it and the Sun would be the same, half as great, twice as great, or 4 times as great. The correct answer is twice as great. True or false? The law of conservation of matter-mass states that energy can never be created nor destroyed. The correct answer is false. The law of conservation of matter-mass states that matter and mass can't be created nor destroyed, not energy. Which war was fought between the North and the South regions of the United States? The Mexican War, World War I, Civil War, or World War II? The correct answer is the Civil War. Which two states give some land to create Washington, D.C.? Virginia and New York, Maryland and Virginia, New York and Maryland, Connecticut and Virginia. The correct answer is Maryland and Virginia. Which country is known for its tulips, windmills, and wooden shoes? Germany, the Netherlands, Belgium, or France? The correct answer is the Netherlands. This is a type answer. What is the capital city of Australia? Type in your answer in the box on your screen. The correct answer is Canberra. This is a slider. How many time zones are there in the world? There's a slider on your screen and you can slide to get a number. The correct answer is 24 time zones. What is the largest country in the world by land area? United States, Canada, China, or Russia? The correct answer is Russia. Which country was the first to reach the moon? China, United States, India, or Russia? The correct answer is the United States. This is another slider. How many years did the American Revolutionary War last? The correct answer is 8 years. True or false? When was Cleopatra the last pharaoh of ancient Egypt? The correct answer is true. It's another true or false. Was the Great Wall of China built to keep out invaders? The correct answer is true. Who was the first emperor of China? The correct answer is Qin Shi Huang. Who invented the telephone? Alexander Graham Bell, Albert Einstein, Thomas Edison, or Nikola Tesla? The correct answer is Alexander Graham Bell. What is the most common type of bridge? Cable-styled bridge, beam bridge, arch bridge, or suspension bridge? The correct answer is suspension bridge. What is the study of motion and the forces that cause it? Biology, geology, chemistry, or physics? The correct answer is physics. What is the unit of electrical resistance? Ohm, volt, watt, or ampere? The correct answer is ohms. This is our second to last question. What is the process of designing and construction buildings called? Construction, designing, architecture, engineering. The correct answer is architecture. This is the last question. What is the branch of engineering that deals with the design and construction of environmental systems and processes? Electrical engineering, environmental engineering, civil engineering, or mechanical engineering? The correct answer is environmental engineering. This is an open-ended question. We'd appreciate if you could take 20 seconds to share your own ideas on ways to make our Asset Kahoot quizzes more fun and efficient. Your ideas will be gone over after the quiz and Zoom meeting has been terminated. This is not compulsory. Thank you. And good job, and now we will be showing the podium of December 2024 Asset Quiz. The third place goes to Amina. The second place goes to Azim Ali. And the first place goes to Azim Ali. Asset thanks to all students for participating in the Asset December 24 quiz. Asset congratulates today's all the 5 winners who come from 1st to 5th places. The winners will receive their cash prizes or gift cards within 1 week. Congratulations to all of you once again. And we will see you next year. Thank you.
Happy New Year, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. It's really a wonderful quiz session.
Thank you.